Hello students, today we will be learning about benefits of MNC. Now before that I would like to discuss about MNC. As you all know that MNC is the companies that can operate or that operates in more than one country. Okay, so let us take some examples of MNC. Like if I have to give the example of Indian MNC, Indian based MNC, then we have Bajaj, we have Hero Motocorp Limited, etc. And if we are talking about a foreign based MNC, foreign country based MNC, then we have Microsoft, we have IBM, we have Bata, we have Nestle, etc. So these are the foreign based MNC. Okay, so now we will be learning about the general benefits that MNC provides. First of all is cheaper labor. Now, since MNC is operating in various countries, in more than one country, so it will be very much convenient for the companies to operate in those countries where the labor cost is cheaper. Okay, and in that way they can set up their offices in several places, and that will create more amount of employment in the country. Next we have broader market base. Now what is the meaning of broader market based? Broader market base means that MNC can operate in more than one economy, in more than one market of various countries. So it will be having a global customer, it will be having a global market, so they can carry out their business smoothly and very efficiently. Okay, so that will give them the opportunities to improve their performance and give better quality products to the customers at a cheaper price. Now we have the next benefit as tax cuts. Tax cut means the MNCs enjoy a certain rate of concession in the in case of tax payment. Okay, so that way they have lower tariffs or lower tax rate they have to pay, and this will invite various investors to invest in that MNC. Next is job creation. Job creation is just the employment that they are providing to the people of the host country. Okay, now host country means, suppose if I take the example of a Indian based company MNC, then home country becomes the India, and the host country becomes those countries where this Indian MNC will be operating their business. Okay, so Microsoft India, that is a foreign based MNC, so that is an American based MNC. So for Microsoft it is the home country will be America, and host country will be India. So I hope my this explanation is clear, and now we will move further with more specific benefits that MNC provides to the home country and the host countries. So let us get into the details of that. So here we have more detailed and specific benefits that the MNC can provide to the both host country as well as the home country. Now first we will discuss the benefits that it provides to the home country. Now home country can get cheaper amount of raw material from abroad, that means from the foreign countries. They can have better quality products, then they have better technology also, and management experts from abroad. Then they can export the finished goods, okay, for assembling means bringing together. Next is inflow of income from in the form of foreign currency, and that will attract the other contracts for the global market, from the global market or from the global environment. So home country acquires the benefits first of all through earning more amount of money, okay, and better quality products and better efficient management professionals, etc. Okay, and next we have benefits provided to the host countries. Host country means in those countries where this MNC will be having their branches. So first of foremost benefit provided to the host country is employment. Next, they provide the benefit of foreign investment to these host countries, and these companies, they can have more amount of investment, so that will be helping them to provide better quality products, and they are much better than the local companies. So and if they are having a cheap labor, if they can afford cheap labor and better technology in production, then they can give the products or deliver the products to the customers at a lower price. Then balance of payment means this export and import. So if host countries can go for more amount of exports through this MNC, then that will be creating a balance of payment in the economy and facilitates better business opportunity, means since they will acquire the benefit of foreign investment. Okay, so I hope these explanations are clear to you all. If anyone has any problem, they can ask me their doubts personally also. Thank you all.